YouTube friends. Now in previous video we have looked over how we can change the text direction into center, and we apply the background color for the app bar. Also we use the text style for the body, we use the font size and font weight. Now in this video we will use the image. How we can use image in couple of different ways. We can use the image in our app in two ways. First way, we can use image in the network, the image which is saved over the network. Other way is to use the image in the resource. Now first we'll look at how we can use the image from the network. Just I think we should remove this text to see how we can apply the image. Use the center widget here, and we have to use the delete all these properties. Now in child we will use the image. In the child we will use image. Now cut this comma, image, use image. Now how we are going to use it? In the image section, image, network image. Not network image. In a single quotation, please paste the URL or the location of the image where from you get it. I want to use the image Okay, now I have downloaded the two images, one girl and one shoes. We will see how we can use these images. Just delete this one, and in the image you will see how it is easy in the Flutter to use the image from the assets. In the asset section you have the URL or location of the image you will use. Just come up here in the single quotation, you will use the image URL. First you will have to add a folder to place store image in this folder. So come up in your folder where you created your project and make a folder. You can make from the IDE. Just make a folder with the name assets and paste those images which you have downloaded, 1 and 2. Now you will see the asset folder is in the asset folder. Now what you have to do for the image to display on the screen, you have to code for pubspec.yml. Come up here in the image section, image assets. So uncomment this. So now please write the path here from where you will pick up the image. So we will pick the image from assets, and our first picture name was I remember shoes, shows, shoes.jpg. Or anything else. So here we also have to write the image path. Shoes and shoes. Now shoes.jpg, and now run the app. Can I edit this in the terminal? We have try again, blocking. We have to see the extensions of our image. JPG. Okay. You will need to align these text whenever you will in the pubspec.yml file. Remember, you have to align these before running this, otherwise it will give you an error. No file or variant found for the assets. For the assets, sorry, we have to delete this one. That's why it's giving the error. So it's performing the hot restart. Let's see. Now our images are displayed. Now how we can use the multiple images? So you can write the second image name. What was the name of second image? I remember girl. Assets and girl.jpg, and also in the main file we have to change the girl. Now let's performing the hot restore, and you can see the image of the girl. So that was two methods how you can use the image in your app. That was it for this video. So do subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. We will see in the next video.